plug into it. And that's all he needed, right? That was it. And lesson done in like 4 minutes.
Awesome. And then when you don't want to harp at it, you
You
let it be done.
let it be done and assume that, you know, next Sunday, he's going to be fine. Put the grain in there, and so whenever he loads, he gets this big huge, and he's so fruit that it made a lot of sense. It's nice to have a trainer to just like bounce things off of and move the pole. The other thing that's been great about her is she really didn't know anything about working with her patient. Yeah. And when I talked to her about that being a goal, I think for a few of us, she's getting educated on it. And she's really interested in it for us. Yeah. And supportive and everything. Who's leading up there?
I'm not leading.